So today I've switched the things a bit, and it's gonna be like this for now. You can shut up. Yeah. So I think it's gonna be a bit better like that to work, because you can see more. Yeah. This is amazing. This is way better. So you take an extension lead and plug this thing. Take the light, blind yourself, and then you can see what needs to be done. So this side is going to be exactly the same like the other way around. So because I've done it exactly the same or similar. So yeah. Wish me luck. See, it's not that awful. It's like all the sills and everything, yeah. But apart from this, it's not bad. Even here, it's not that bad. It's the old school Volvo things, you know. That's when they made cars properly. See you later.